Hello guys, welcome to Unacademy KCET YouTube live session. Myself Sharief. Let us discuss today KCET 2021 paper. Right, question number 1. X cube minus 2x square minus 9x plus 18 is equal to 0. We'll find out the roots of this equation. By synthetic division, by inspection x is equal to 2 is the root, right? This is by inspection. X is equal to 2 is the root because only x equal to 2 satisfies here. 8 minus 2 into 4 minus 9 to is 18 plus 18 is equal to 0. This will cancel, this will cancel. So x equal to 2 is the root. Now other roots can be found out using the using synthetic division. So this is 1 minus 2 minus 9 18. X is equal to 2 is the initial root. Initially write 0 and add. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into 2 is 1 into 2 is 2. You add, you get 0. 0 into 2 is 0. Add, you get minus 9. Multiply, you get minus 18. Add, you get 0. Right, now the reduced equation is x square minus 9 equal to 0. You get x is equal to plus minus 3. So I have three roots here. X is equal to 2, 3 and minus 3. Now I should find the maximum value of this a. If I expand this determinant, a is equal to delete first row first column. Right, so if I delete first row first column, you will get 9x minus 6 8 48 minus 2 into delete first row second column 36 minus 42 plus 3 into delete first row last column 4 8 32 minus 7x. Okay, so a is equal to 9x minus 6 8 48, right? So by mistake it got erased, guys. Let me write once again. X is equal to 2 is the root, right? By inspection. This is by inspection. By inspection, x is equal to 2 is the root. So this is 1 minus 2 minus 9 18. 0 is the root. X is equal to 2 is by inspection. And if I add this, you get 2 2 into 1 as 2 2's. Add this 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into 2 is 2. Add, you get 0. And then you get this is 0. Add, you get minus 9. So this is minus 18 and 0. Reduced equation is x square minus 9 equal to 0. X equal to plus minus 3. Alright, so roots are 2, 3 and minus 3. Now I should find the maximum value of this. Okay, now let us expand this. A is equal to first row first column. You get 9x minus 6 8 48 minus 2 into delete first row second column 36 minus 42 and delete first row last column. You will get 4 8 32 minus 7x. This will be 9x minus 48 minus 2 into this is minus 6 plus 96 minus 21x. Okay, so capital A is equal to 9x minus 48 minus of minus is plus 12 plus 96 minus 21x. Okay, now capital A is equal to 96 12 will be 108. 108 minus 48 is plus 60. It will be 60 minus 12x. 9x minus 21x will be equal to minus 12x only. This is the value of A. Now I should find the maximum value of A, right? I should find maximum value of A. Roots, if I take 2, 3 and minus 3, A will be maximum only when I put minus 3. That is 60 minus 12 into minus 3. So this is 60 plus 36, which is equal to 96. Answer is option A. Let's move to the next question. At 2 and minus 2 and 3, you get the value, but maximum you get at minus 3 only. At x is equal to minus 3 only, you get maximum value, which is 96. Right, let's move to the next question. At x is equal to 1, I should check the continuity and differentiability. Right, at x is equal to 1, left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. Left hand limit, if I put 1, 1 minus 1. Right hand limit also, if I put 1 minus 1. So 0 is equal to 0. So f is continuous. F is continuous at x is equal to 1. Right, it is continuous at x is equal to 1. Now if I differentiate f dash of x, differentiation of x cube is 3x square, right? 1 is less than x less than infinity, and then you get 1 minus infinity is less than x less than or equal to 1. R into f dash of 1 will be equal to 3, right hand derivative. L into f dash of 1, in place of x if you put 1 you get 1 only. So R into f dash of 1 is not equal to L into f dash of 1. Therefore f is not differentiable. F is not differentiable at x is equal to 1. Just a sec. It is not differentiable. It is not differentiable at x, not differentiable at x is equal to 1. Alright, so it is continuous. It is continuous and non-differentiable. Answer is option B. Let's move to the next question. If I differentiate this, dy by dx is equal to differentiation of x square is 2x, right? Differentiation of cos square the whole square will be equal to 2 cos square x. Okay, and differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, that is minus sin of x square. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Now this will be equal to minus 4x cos of x square into sin x square. This can be written as minus 2 into this is minus 2x into 2 sin x square and then cos x square. Right, 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta, right? This is of the form 2 sin theta into cos theta, which is equal to sin 2 theta. Okay, so this is equal to minus 2x sin 2 theta is equal to sin 2 into x square. Right, answer is option C. Let's move to the next question. The differentiation of x power x is x power x into 1 plus log x. Differentiation of x power a is a into x to the power of a minus 1. Differentiation of a power x is a power x into log a to the base e. Differentiation of a power a is 0. So answer is option B only. It's a direct question on differentiation. Let's move to the next question. If I should check which of the following statements are true. Y is equal to log x to the base 10 can be written as log x by log 10 plus, I'm using change of base formula, log n to the base a can be written as log n upon log a. Right, now see, actually log x can be written as 1 by x. Differentiation of log x will be 1 by x only when the base is e. Apart from e, you should use the change of base formula. Even if I don't write e here, it is understood as base e. But if I, apart from e, I have base 10 here, then I should use the change of base formula. Here, no problem. This is log x is 1 by x only. To the base e only here. Now if I differentiate, this is base e. If I differentiate 1 by log 10, is a constant, and differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Again, differentiation of log x is 1 by x. This is it's understood as a base c. Now, if I use the change of base formula, log n to the base a is equal to 1 by log a to the base n. Okay, 1 by log 10 to the base c is log e to the base 10. And then whole divided by x plus 1 by x. So this means that first is true. Alright, first statement is true. Let me check this. Let me check the second statement. Okay, so this is d by dx, not dy by dx, d by dx. D by dx of log x to the base 10 is same as log x by log 10. Okay, just 1 by log 10 is a constant, and differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Right, so this means that this is false. No need to check the other thing. This is false. So statement 1 is true, 2 is false. Answer is option A. Right, let's move to the next question. If I differentiate this dx by d theta, differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. Okay, and then plus log tan theta by 2 is 1 by tan theta by 2. So this is 1 by tan theta by 2. And then differentiation of tan theta by 2 is 1 by 2 sec square theta by 2. So this is minus sin theta plus 1 by tan is cot. So this is cot theta by 2. 1 upon 2 into sec square theta by 2. Okay, so this is minus sin theta. Cot can be written as cos by sin, that is cos theta by 2 divided by sin theta by 2. Plus 1 by 2, c can be written as 1 by cos, so you get 1 by cos square theta by 2. This cos will cancel with the square. So minus sin theta plus 1 divided by 2 sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. So if I use the half angle formula, now dx by d theta is equal to minus sin theta plus 1 upon 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 sin theta. LCM is sin theta, right? If I cross multiply, you get minus sin square plus 1. 1 minus sin square is cos square. So this is cos square theta divided by sin theta. Okay, now dy by dx, dy by d theta is equal to differentiation of sin theta as cos theta. Dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Dy by d theta as cos theta, dx by d theta as cos square by sin. This cos will cancel with the square. 1 by cot is equal to tan. Right, now it is given in the question that dy by dx is equal to 0. Dy by dx is equal to 0, then what should be the general solution? So dy by dx is equal to 0, tan theta equal to 0. Tan theta equal to 0, general solution is theta is equal to n pi. N is an integer. Right, answer is option D. Alright, let's move to the next question. Okay, you can't differentiate directly. Alright, I'm going to take log on both the sides. Call equation 1. Right, now log y is equal to log of x minus 1 the whole square into x minus 2 the whole cube into x minus 3 whole power 5. Now if I differentiate, if I use the log property, log y is equal to log m into n is log m plus log n, log x minus 1 the whole square plus log of x minus 2 the whole cube plus this is log of x minus 3 whole power 5. Okay, now log y is equal to log m power n is n log m, 2 into log of x minus 1 plus 3 into log of x minus 2 plus 5 into log of x minus 3. Okay, now if I differentiate, differentiation of log y is 1 by y into dy by dx. Log x is 1 by x plus 3 times log y x is 1 by x plus 5 times log x is 1 by x. Okay, now if I cross multiply, dy by dx is equal to y into 2 divided by x minus 1 plus 3 divided by x minus 2 plus 5 divided by x minus 3. Substitute the value of y. Okay, dy by dx is equal to value of y is equal to x minus 1 the whole square into x minus 2 the whole cube into x minus 3 whole power 5, 2 divided by x minus 1 plus 3 divided by x minus 2 plus 5 divided by x minus 3. This is dy by dx. Now if I put dy by dx at x is equal to 4, dy by dx at x is equal to 4, 4 minus 1 the whole square into 4 minus 2 the whole cube, 4 minus 3 whole power 5, 2 divided by 4 minus 1 plus 3 divided by 4 minus 2 plus 5 divided by 4 minus 3. This is 9, 2 cube is 8 into 1 into this is 2 by 3 plus 3 by 2 plus 5. Right, now this is 9 into 8, LCM is 6. You will get 4 plus 9, okay, plus 30. 3 2s, 3 3s, 3 2. This will cancel 4 times. 4 into 3 is 12 into this is 30 plus 13, 43, right? Yes, this is 43. So this is 6 3 and 4 2 is 8 and 4. This is 6 516. Answer is option D. Right, let's move to the next question. A particle starts from rest and its angular displacement in radian is given by, so this is the displacement, theta is equal to t square by 20 plus t by 50 by 5. Rate of change of displacement with respect to time is velocity. Velocity is d theta by dt, because theta is the displacement according to the question. Rate of change of displacement with respect to time is velocity. 2t by 20 plus 1 upon 5. So velocity is equal to t by 10 plus 1 by 5. Okay, if the angular velocity at the end of t equal to 4 is k. So velocity when time t equal to 4 is k. Right, now if I put t equal to 4, you get 4 by 10 plus 1 by 5 is equal to k. I'm supposed to find out what's the value of 5k. Right, so this is 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5 is equal to k. So 3 by 5 is equal to k. If I cross multiply, 3 is equal to 5k. So 5k is equal to 3. Answer is option D. Right, question number 9. If the parabola passes through the point 0, 2, if I substitute 0, 2 here, in place of x you put 0, in place of y you put 2. You get 2 is equal to beta. I should find out what is alpha and beta only. This is ruled out. This is ruled out. Alright. Now, and as a tangent, x at 3 by x is equal to 3 by 2 parallel to x-axis. So according to the question, dy by dx when x is equal to 3 by 2, it is 0. Tangent parallel to x-axis, slope should be 0. If I differentiate dy by dx is equal to alpha into 2x minus 6. Now if I substitute, you get 2 alpha into 3 by 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. 2 and 2 cancels. 3 alpha is equal to 6, alpha is equal to 2. Alpha is 2 and beta is 2. Answer is option C. Right? Question number 10. The function is strictly decreasing in the interval. F dash of x is equal to 2x minus 2. Right? Decreasing means f dash of x is less than 0. 2x minus 2 is less than 0. That is 2x is less than 2. X is less than 1. Therefore, x belongs to minus infinity comma 1. Open interval. Answer is option A. Question number 11. The maximum slope of the curve is. So slope is equal to dy by dx, right? Slope will be equal to dy by dx minus 3x square minus 6x plus 2. Now let me take this as fx. Now I should find maximum value of this slope. Now this is I should find maximum minimum of this curve, minus 3x square plus 6x plus 2. Okay, now if I differentiate, f dash of x is equal to minus 6x plus 6. After finding the first derivative, I'll equate to 0. Minus 6x plus 6 is equal to 0. 6x is equal to 6x is equal to 1. Got it? Now let's find the double derivative. F double dash of x is equal to minus 6. This is less than 0. F double less than 0 means obviously f is maximum at x is equal to 1. Right? Now f maximum is equal to f of 1. F of 1, if I substitute, you get minus 3 plus 6 plus 2, which is equal to 5. The maximum value of the slope is equal to 5. Right? Next, question number 12. What I'll do is I'm going to substitute tan inverse of x power 4 is equal to t. Differentiation of tan inverse of x is 1 by 1 plus x square. And differentiation of 4x power 4 is 4x cube dx is equal to dt. From this I can write x cube dx by 1 plus x to the power of 8 is equal to dt by 4. Right, now this question becomes sin t, and x cube by 1 plus x power 8 dx is dt by 4. Integration of sin is minus cos by 4 plus c. This is minus 1 by 4, and then you get cos of t value is tan inverse of x power 4. X power 4 and plus c. Answer is option A. Alright, question number 13. Integration of x squared dx divided by root of x. A power 6 can be written as a cube the whole square. Both are same, right? And x power 6 can be written as x cube the whole square. Now what I'll do is I'm going to put x cube is equal to t. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square dx is equal to dt. And from this x square dx is equal to dt upon 3. Now if I substitute, x square dx is equal to 1 by 3 dt divided by root of a cube the whole square plus t square. Now this fellow is of the form dx divided by root of a square plus x square. Formula will be equal to log of x plus root of a square plus x square and plus c. Okay, now this is 1 upon 3. This is 1 upon 3. Okay, log of t plus root of a square plus x square, that is a cube the whole square plus t square and plus c. Now this is 1 upon 3 and then log of value of t will be equal to t is equal to x cube, right? So this is x cube plus root of a cube the whole square plus x cube the whole square and plus c. This is 1 by 3 and log of x cube plus root of a to the power of 6 plus x to the power of 6 and plus c. Answer is option C only. Alright, let's move to the next question. Again, indefinite question. Integration of e power x. I can add 1 and subtract 1. And then whole divided by 1 plus x the whole square and then dx. So integration of e power x 1 plus x divided by 1 plus x the whole square minus 1 by 1 plus x the whole square and then dx. This 1 plus x will cancel with the square. You will get e power x into a bracket 1 by 1 plus x minus 1 by 1 plus x the whole square and then dx. Now this is of the form integration of e power x into this is fx plus f dash of x, that is equal to e power x into fx plus c. Alright, now this is equal to e power x into f of x and plus c. Answer is option D. Alright, question number 15. Again indefinite question. E power x into a bracket. Sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2 and cos x by 2. Okay, and 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. 2 cos square x by 2 dx. E power x into a bracket 1 by 2 cos square x by 2 plus this is 2 sin x by 2 and cos x by 2 and 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. Okay, 2 will cancel with 2 and this cos will cancel with the square. E power x into 1 by 2, 1 by cos is sec, so this is sec square x by 2 plus sin by cos is tan, you will get tan x by 2, tan x by 2 dx. Alright, now this is of the form e power x into this is tan x by 2 plus this is 1 by 2 and sec square x by 2, sec square x by 2 dx. Now this is of the form integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x. Formula will be equal to e power x into f of x plus c. Right, this is equal to e power x into tan x by 2 and plus c. Answer is option A. Alright, question number 16. Again, it's a question from definite integral I10 plus I8 is equal to integration 0 to pi by 4. I10 is tan power 10x plus integration of I8 is equal to 0 to pi by 4 tan power 8x. Okay, now this is equal to 0 to pi by 4 tan x to the power of 10 plus tan x to the power of 8 and then dx. Alright, I'm going to take tan power 8 common. 0 to pi by 4 and tan power 8x common. Left out is tan square x plus 1. Okay, so this is 0 to pi by 4 tan power 8x and 1 plus tan square x is sec square x and then dx. Alright, rather than you do the substitution, you put tan x is equal to t and change the limit. Or I can write this as 0 to pi by 4 tan power 8x, and I can write this as d of tan x. D of tan x is sec square x only. I'll integrate tan with respect to tan. Tan x to the power of 9 divided by 9 between the limit 0 to pi by 4. So 1 upon 9, tan 45 is 1, tan 0 is 0. Answer is 1 by 9. Answer is option D. Alright, let's move to the next question. Question number 17. See, this is of the form we have done this in earlier papers as well. If you have suppose a to b, this is fx power n. This is fx to the power of n. F of a plus b minus x whole power n. Then answer is always b minus a by 2. Answer is b minus a by 2. So this is 0 to 4042 root x fx power n. This is also fx power n. A plus b minus x means lower plus upper minus x is 4042 minus x whole power n and then dx. Okay, answer is b minus a by 2. That is 4042 minus 0 by 2, which is 2021. Right, answer is option B. Let's move to the next question. Question number 18. The area of the region bounded by this. See, actually y square is equal to 16 minus x square, right? X square plus y square is equal to 16. Y is equal to root x is a semicircle. So if I draw a semicircle, so this will be a semicircle. 0, this will be 4 comma 0 and minus 4 comma 0. Alright, this area I'm supposed to find out, right? So this is area of the semicircle is area is equal to half of pi r square, right? Which is equal to half of pi r square is 16. So this is of the form x square plus y square is equal to r square. Okay, this is equal to 8 pi. Answer is option A. Without integrating, you get, guys, area of a circle is pi r square. Y equal to root of 16 minus x square is a semicircle. So half of area of the circle, which is equal to 8 pi. That's it. Okay, area of the ellipse. This is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Area of the ellipse is pi ab, right? Area of the ellipse is pi ab. Area is 20 given, 20 pi. So this is 20 pi into pi. If you compare, a square is 25, right? And b square is lambda square. So this means that a is equal to 5 and b is equal to lambda. If I substitute this as 5 into lambda, pi cancels pi. 5 will cancel with this 4 times. Lambda is equal to 4 or plus minus 4. Answer is option A. Alright. Question number 21. Solution of the differential equation x into dy is equal to y into dx. I can write this as dy divided by y is equal to dx divided by x. Right, now if I integrate, integration dy divided by y is equal to integration dx divided by x and then plus c. Integration of 1 by y is log y. Integration of 1 by x is log x. C can be written as log c. So log y is equal to log cx. If I equate the corresponding value, you get y is equal to cx. Y is equal to cx is same as y is equal to mx. Y equal to mx is a line which will pass through the origin. So straight line passing through the origin. Answer is option C only. Right? Let's move to the next question. Question number 21. The number of solutions of dy by dx is equal to y plus 1 by x minus 1. Y of 1 equal to 2. Y of 1 equal to 2 means when x is 1, y is 2. Now if I separate the variables, dy by y plus 1 is equal to dx by x minus 1. Now if I integrate, dy by y plus 1 is equal to integration of dx by x minus 1 and plus c. Right? Integration of 1 by x is log x, right? You get log of y plus 1 is equal to log of x minus 1 plus c can be written as log c. This is log of y plus 1 minus log of x minus 1 is equal to log c. Log m minus log n is log m by n. You will get log of y plus 1 by x minus 1 is equal to log c. Alright, now if I equate the values, y plus 1 divided by x minus 1 is equal to c. Okay, now I'm supposed to find out y of 1 equal to 2, right? C I should find out. See what x is equal to 1, this is not defined. So we will reverse this. X minus 1 by y plus 1 is equal to 1 by c. Or x minus 1 divided by y plus 1 is equal to c1. Both are same, right? C is a constant, 1 by c is also a constant. Now if I put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2, you get 0 is equal to c1. Okay, substitute back x minus 1 divided by y plus 1 is equal to 0. If you cross multiply, x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Answer is option B. Alright, number of solutions is only 1. Let's move to the next question. Question number 22. A vector makes equal acute angles with coordinate axes. Let's say this is x-axis and y-axis and z-axis. This is making an equal angle. So let's say this is alpha, this is beta, this is gamma. This vector is making equal angles. This means that alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma according to the question. L is equal to cos alpha, M is equal to cos beta, L is cos alpha, M is equal to cos beta, and N is equal to cos gamma. L square plus M square plus N square is always equal to 1. So cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma, right? So you will get this as 3 cos square alpha is equal to 1. Cos square alpha is equal to 1 by 3 and cos alpha is equal to 1 by root 3. Acute angles to take positive. So this means that L is equal to M is equal to N is equal to 1 by root 3 only. So that if vector A will be equal to so this vector will be equal to 1 by root 3 into I plus 1 by root 3 into J plus 1 by root 3 into K. Now projection of the vector B on A is given by, so projection of B on A, projection of vector B on vector A is equal to B dot A divided by mod A. B dot A will be equal to 5 by root 3 plus modulus of A anyways 1, 7 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Right, now that's equal to 5 plus 7, 12, 12 minus 1 is 11, 11 by root 3. Answer is option B. Right, let's move to the next question. The diagonals of a parallelogram are the vectors given, then the length of the shorter side of the parallelogram. Suppose you have the parallelogram. These are the adjacent sides. This is vector A and vector B. Okay, diagonals of the parallelogram is D1 and D2. Now D1 is equal to 3i plus 6j minus 2k, and D2 is equal to minus I minus 2j minus 8k. Then the length of the shorter side of the parallelogram. Vector A is equal to D1 plus D2 by 2. So vector A is equal to, if you add D1 plus D2, you will get 2i plus 4j minus 10k whole divided by 2. So vector A is equal to I plus 2j minus 5k. Modulus of this will be root of 1 plus 4 plus 25, which is root of 30. Right, now let me find the other side as well. Vector B is equal to D1 minus D2 by 2. If you subtract D1 minus D2, you will get this as 4i plus 8j plus 6k and whole divided by 2. Right, vector B is equal to 2i plus 4j plus 3k. Modulus of B is equal to root of 4 plus 16 plus 9, which is root of 29. So length of the shorter side of the parallelogram is root of 29 only. Right, question number 24. A dot B is 0 and A plus B makes an angle 60 degree with vector B, with vector A. So this means that cos 60 is equal to angle between A plus B and vector A is 60 degree. Cos theta is equal to A dot B. A dot B divided by mod A into mod B, that is mod of A plus B into modulus of A. Cos 60 is half. Dot product is distributive, that is A dot A plus this is B dot A divided by mod of A plus B into modulus of A. A dot B is 0, right? Because it's given A dot B is 0. A dot B is equal to mod of A the whole square divided by modulus of A plus B into modulus of A. Mod A will cancel with the square. If I cross multiply, modulus of A plus B is equal to 2 into modulus of A. So this is not going to help me out. If I square on both sides, right? If I square both sides, I'll get modulus of A plus B the whole square is equal to 4 mod A square. Okay, so this is A square plus B square plus 2 times A dot B is equal to 4 into modulus of A the whole square. Anyways, this is 0, given A dot B is 0. You shift on the right side, mod of B the whole square is equal to 3 times modulus of A the whole square. If you take square out, you will get this as root 3 into modulus of A. Mod B is equal to root 3 into modulus of A. Answer is option D. Right, let's move to the next question. If the area of a parallelogram with A and B as two adjacent sides is 15 square units, area of the parallelogram is mod of A cross B, right? So according to the question, modulus of A cross B is equal to 15 square units. Modulus of A cross B is equal to 15. Then the area of the parallelogram having 3A plus 2B and A plus 3B as two adjacent sides. So required area is equal to modulus of 3A plus 2B cross with A plus 3B. Okay, now this is equal to modulus of 3 times A cross A plus 9 times A cross B plus 2 times B cross A plus 6 times B cross B. B cross B is 0, A cross A is 0. This is 9 times A cross B minus 2 times A cross B. B cross A, if you change, you get A minus of A cross B. So this will equal to 7 times A cross B. Okay, 7 times modulus of A cross B, and according to the question, area of the parallelogram is 15 square units. 15 into 7 is 105. 105 square units. Answer is option C. Alright, let's move to the next question. Equation of a line joining the 2 points. So this is x1, y1 and z1. This is x2, y2, z2. Right, I'll use the 2-point form. Equation of a line is x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. Now this is x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is 4. Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is minus 6. And z minus z1 by z2 minus z1 is minus 4. Okay, if I multiply by minus 2, to multiply by minus 2, it's a ratio only, right? So if you multiply by minus 2, x plus 3 divided by minus 2 is equal to y minus 4 divided by 3 is equal to z minus 11 divided by plus 2. Z2 minus z1 minus 2, 3 and minus 2. Equation of a line joining 2 points minus 3, 4 and 1. X minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. X2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Okay, so this is minus 2, 2, 3. There's some error in the options, guys. Equation of a line passing through, it's a direct, it's a simple question only. Line joining 2 points is x minus x1 by 2, y minus y1 by 2, z minus z1 by 2. So this is 2, 3. Okay, just a sec, I'll just check the options. Question number 26. There's an error here, guys. This should be 2. Right, answer is option B. X plus 3 by x plus 3 by minus 2, y minus 3 by y minus 4 by 3, z minus 11 by plus 2. There's an error here, it should be plus 2. Answer is option B only. Right, let's move to the next question. The angle between the lines whose direction cosines are. So direction cosines cos theta is equal to L1 into L2 plus M1 into M2 plus N1 into N2. So this is L1, M1, N1. This is L2, M2 and N2. Now cos theta is equal to L1 into L2 is 3 by 8 m1 into m2 is 1 by 16, n1 into n2 is minus 3 by 4. Okay, I take LCM 16, I get 6 plus 1 minus 9, minus 6. I take LCM 16, so this is 6 plus 1, 16 means 4 3 is 12, right? So this is plus 12. Okay, so now this will be equal to L1 into L2 is minus root 3 by 4 into 4 is 16. This is 16. M1 into M2 is 1 by 16 minus root 3 by 4. If I take LCM 16, this is 3 plus 1 minus 8 by 16, which is modulus of minus half plus half. Cos theta is equal to plus half, theta is equal to pi by 3. That is 60 degree, cos 60 is half. Answer is option C. Let's move to the next question. If a plane meets the coordinate axis at ABC in such a way that centroid of a triangle ABC is at the point 1, 2, 3, what is the equation of the plane? Okay, now listen, the plane is meeting at the point, this is x-axis, y-axis and z-axis at ABC. Okay, let's say this is A, this is B, this is C. This is A comma 0 comma 0, 0 B 0, this is 0 0 C. Centroid of the triangle is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. So that is A by 3 comma B by 3 comma C by 3. Now according to the question, centroid is 1 2 3. Your equation of a plane in intercept form is x by A plus y by B plus z by C is equal to 1. Is equal to, this is A by 3 comma B by 3 comma C by 3. Now if I cross multiply, A is equal to 3, B is equal to 6, and C is equal to 9. Equation of the plane is x by 3 plus y by 6 plus z by 9 equal to 1. Answer is option B. Alright, now area of a quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, now this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. This is D1, this is D2. Area of a parallelogram whose diagonals are D1 and D2 is half of modulus of D1 cross D2, right? Okay, that is half of modulus of AC cross BD. This is half of modulus of AC cross BD. Now I'll find out AC is equal to position vector of C minus position vector of A. If I subtract OC minus OA, right? 4 minus 0 and 5 minus 4, 0 minus 1, which is equal to 4 minus 1 minus 1, 4 minus 1 plus 1. 4, this will be equal to plus 1, this is minus 1. And BD is equal to position vector of D minus position vector of B. Alright, OD minus OB will be equal to 2 minus 2, which is 0. Next is 6 minus 3, and 2 minus of minus is plus 1. This is 0, 3 and 3. Alright, now AC cross BD is equal to determinant of components of IJK. Components of AB is equal to 4, 1 and minus 1, and then you get 0, 3 and 3. I into delete first row first column, 3 plus 3 is 6. First row second column 12. First row last column you get 12. Okay, I'm going to take 6 common. You will get this as I minus 2j plus 2k. Okay, so this is 1 by 2, 6 into Modulus of this is root of 1 plus 4 plus 4. This will cancel 3 times. 3 into root 9 is 3. 3 into 3 is 9 square units. Answer is option A. Right? Let's move to the next question. Question number 30. The shaded region in the solution is of the solution set. Shaded region is the solution set of the inequalities. Okay, now this equation is actually 5x plus 4y is equal to 20, right? So this is away from the origin. So this is 5x plus 4y greater than or equal to 20. This line is y is equal to 3. So this is towards the origin y less than or equal to 3. Okay, and this line is x is equal to 6. This is towards the origin x is less than or equal to 6. Okay, x is less than 6. Y is less than, x is less than 6. Y is less than 3 and this is more than 20. Answer is option C only. Okay, answer is option C. This is the answer option C. This is away from the origin. X is less than y towards the origin. Y is less than 6 towards the origin. X positive, Y positive. Yes, answer is option C, guys. All right, I'll continue this paper in my next session. All right, before I wind up, guys, please do subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you get the notification for all the classes. Please do watch and please do watch, like, and share this video, guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching. God bless you.